Jamaica no have no law, but uno, when I say uno, I mean people up top like uno will set the law, And uno cause all them type of thing that uno pressure the country, Me talk all the time in all of my video them say, and I criminal them pressure the country, And uno make so much pressure upon the country with no law, go full law,
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, now we train.
What go on again, unstoppable family? Now listen, I have 2 questions for you. And these questions right here, I want to respond to them in the comment section. Because I want to know how many persons actually know the correct answer to these 2 questions. Now, when you no answer to them questions, I go in the comment section and I go look for a response and I go answer every single one of you. Now, what this is also going to do, it is going to allow the people them who don't know the answer to these questions to learn the answer. Now, question number 1. What is the purpose of a government? In any country, what is the purpose of a government? I want to answer that in the comment section for me right now. Write it in the comment section for me. What is the purpose of a government? Question number 2. Is the government of Jamaica doing what they are supposed to be doing? Answer that in the comment section for me there. Me I go look for no comment. Now, this general right here, so the man, is a general who always address certain things. And right now the man talk about the government of Jamaica spend up all kind of money just for bringing the Queen grandson and spending up all kind of unnecessary cash upon other things. The man address that amongst a few other stuff. People, take a listen to what the general has said right here. So.
Government of Jamaica, Queen worshippers. Look how much money you spent the other day if you bring in the Queen grandson in Jamaica. Look how much million it costs the country. Look how much million it costs the country. Right? Now you bringing them Chinese people in Jamaica now for do work, right? For make road through and through the country. Right? For people to go through toll, even Portmore whenever necessary. Right? Now, the other day you not take the cold pastor from Montego Bay to come to town and drive around through bushes and through old road with them cause accident. And whenever becomes a policeman in the family right now, the policeman losing life. And I can bet you right now, so the policeman are getting no compensation, nothing. And have all them children and all them type of something there and they sacrifice him, right? Now you have this toll gate thing all through the country and you're still building up more. Now as a government body, the country is your one, the country is Jamaica and Jamaican people. Right? The police is the people that way run the law upon the land. And everybody have to respect the law and obey by the law. Fireman, ambulance, emergency vehicle, and more essential government vehicle as well should have authority to go through that toll, whether they're upon duty or not. You put things in place for certain companies and certain people who have authority, either the diplomatical people them. And I can bet you say diplomatical people have to going through there. But even them should have hear if you can go through there. Now a policeman lose his life and he couldn't be saved. And I say a policeman a cry out. The woman fed up with it. Those are the type of things make some police just don't bother care. They don't bother business, they just do them own. And that's why sometimes we say Jamaica no have no law. But when I say I mean people up top like uno will set the law, And uno cause all them type of thing that uno pressure the country, Me talk all the time in all of my video them say, and I criminal them pressure the country, And uno make so much pressure upon the country with no law, go full law, Uno change the law, them are some long time law, When we see no whole lot of a man, one fisherman were there, in charge of man $4, you know. For fishing in one place, you know, because tourist boat are come there. You still a worship tourists and tourists now worship, you know. Why we not worship people? The people now worship, you know. But not worship, you know. Because I'm telling you all the time, the tourists are come to Jamaica because they want ganja. They want the reggae music on our fight against. And they want the beach lay down upon and the sun, you know. And that when you try to mash down on one people and for that, you know. On your own people, you know, take the people in beach and get the tourists, you know. You take the people in road and charge them for drive upon it, you know. Now, government of Jamaica, you know, shall put something in place, you know. That's the police vehicle and the army vehicle and government vehicle have authority, you know. If you can go through without any problem, you know. But you don't do that. You don't do that, you just say, oh, everybody have to pay. And I can bet you, government yourself, go through there. You don't put things in place for people, you know. You don't just try to pressure people and pressure poor people, you know, and do everything bad, you know. You don't do nothing good for the country, you know. Absolutely nothing. You are not doing nothing good for the country more than pressure people. I only make so much crime. The police are fed up because the police are all the time, you know, because they make any mistake and doing the stupidness. I look out against them, you know. And I hate them. I become one them for the good. Do good for the country. You sign an agreement and you swear for sign the and for govern the country. So do it for the people, but you don't do it for yourself. All I want to do things for yourself, you know, but you see over them countries, I'm talking about overseas. Why so much people running from Jamaica and go far and go live and well comfortable? Everybody, DJ, everybody, people who have money. Because it's a better place for them to live. Nurses run away, everybody run away, everybody go abroad. Foreigner nice, but then still go live. Foreigner nice, you know, foreigner nice, you go make some money and can come back to your country, you know, but you make we can come back then, you make country come back every fret, you know. Because I know we want to look out for, you know, tourists. Our wild people to look out for, you know. You so no treat L.A. Lewis for there, kick him out and run him out of one barn land for Queen grandson. I mean, no, say Queen I give him a clap for that, you know. Queen pay off everybody over the world with them disrespect and slay them and take them country. And everybody get pay off all about over the world. Everybody get pay off. All Africa get pay off to a thief and thief you up. And one don't get nothing. Then put one man if you block the gate, 2 men if you block the gate. To block the gate is the governor general and prime minister. And one they worship them. And the most important thing about you know, prime minister, this is for you. You see when time you go abroad, nobody no honor you. Nobody no worship you. Nobody no keep a welcome parade for you and salute you for the play and all that type of shit. You're just a normal person. You just go through the diplomatical channel and go jump in your chauffeur vehicle and go about your business because I live abroad and I see it. But anybody come from anywhere, in other country no worship them and them not worship you. Check yourself. And una worship people, you know. And the people worship, you know, people only worship the sea you wanna have. And the sun you wanna have. And the ganja you wanna have. And the music you wanna have. That's all. They don't want nothing else out of Jamaica. And we who want to come back to our country, because we live over here with a piece of shit ourselves. But not see we. Jamaica and overseas will fight against each other. We don't fight against the foreign people and we come and foreign and we fight against each other. We hate each other, we hate everybody, we hate all our people and we come from Jamaica. That's how we live over here. Not we now, I'm just saying dirty culture where we still have in a way. Yeah? Everybody got foreign for live and forget it to Jamaica. But then when they come and foreign and see you, they fight against you and then try everything so they can make it in 1 day. And then carry on. And all that type of thing there in the Prime Minister and government, you know. It's bad. The policeman lose his life. You see the policewoman a cry. See the other day, a policeman they on the toll and gunman attack him and them have a fighting way through and he couldn't get help. You see when me come to Jamaica, I'm not jump on the toll, you know. Because I love to see myself I go around Flatbridge. And I go around where I can see people on the road that sell and people are selling. I can stop our shop and buy something. When we go on the toll, what me I see? One pretty high road where we have a foreign already. You think it's we foreign other people who are show off in the car. They know what people go on the road for. They know what people going on the road for. Who not go on the road for drivers, motorists, who not go on them high street for. Why not grown if I leave from Ochi, leave from Kingston I got Ochi, leave from Ochi I come back Kingston? Why not jump on them type of road for? Them the road is necessary, you know. Them the road not represent nothing. It not represent nothing because not speed. I don't love for speed. No, if you don't have an accident pan there, nobody can even save on it. So one car crash pan over there and burn and catch a fire. Because the ambulance are dead if you come through there, because they can't even come through there for help on either son and go dead. We don't realize that and stop drive pan there. Boy cut it. We don't stop drive pan there, people. You know if boycott thing, you know. Because you know what? You love live. You love likes. Likes I want to love. You love forget things and have things and have things and hear things and this for you and that for you. You know if you stop it. You must come together and boycott things and cut out politics type of shit. Yeah? You love too much like stop drive on them high street. They go drive on the normal road that you used to. Take on the time and go language part to now go. And go drive on them road. They stop drive on them high street because them are necessary. Them high street they not really necessary unless they depend on a great east, which not ours, they depend yes anyway. Yeah? But me a one boy when I drive on there now. Me love go on my local road and the next again Mr. Government. You see the place they call Flatbridge as something where you should take into consideration. That is tourists. That's what tourists want to see. You should have people out there, you should narrow down the road as every vehicle we are going to enter the bridge can go more than 20. Narrow it down, put something in place. 20. And people, if you stop and wait till in time, come to go around there, so if you go over the bridge, if you go across the bridge. No people end up drive over the bridge and go down in the water. I mean, you know what them I look for? And people have to save them life. You should have something in place, proper camera. Lifeguard owner pay becomes a job, charge the motorists, them tax them and make it becomes a job. So lifeguard out there to save people, work it out as a shift. People have to voluntary serve Flatbridge for save people and not get nothing. Mr. Government you know, should have shame on their damn self. Overseas a place they deal with health and safety and rules. Flatbridge a place should be somewhere where them have rules and health and safety and this becomes a job. Every train line in Jamaica we run across the road. You used to have a little house there where people sit down there so to hold up the barrier, to stop the traffic, to make the train pass. And the same thing for go on a Flatbridge. Put some duty there. Put something in place. Come up with something. Stop people from go over there. What do you not do it? Motorists take on the time. Bullshit. Bullshit, Mr. Government and Mr. Prime Minister. Bullshit. Do something. You travel the world and you saw the world stay. And you don't love to copy. See like on a cone down place and a tape our place. You never used to do it, you know. Because back in my days, we never know coning. We never know narrow down road. We never know this seat and now overseas you come from. You don't copy enough things from overseas. Copy the right thing when you see overseas. Do not take a people's phone and search people's phone. Overseas you don't see that. Which is good. Because you learn along the way. And I saw next thing I go on again, you know. Which is not right and it's not good. To the police them. There's a woman out there who cried for help. And the woman cried for help because her son wants to shoot her. Her son have a fish gun and want to shoot her. The son want to burn down the house. The son go and buy petrol and hide it somewhere in a bush. If me see the woman attack, what happened to her and what she and she go to the police and she call the police and the police, yes, the police come around, yes. But you still have one in the lot now where not happy with what she has say. And not happy with what she has say. Him not give him service as what he's supposed to get. I think he minded somewhere else. Because she talk about the black one and the black one said this and the black one said, oh, you know, so the black one now, why you interrogate the woman so bad for? No, you have a job to do to serve your country. You need to serve your country to your best of your ability. No matter who it is. If even your friend or your mother or whosoever, you need to give them the full length of the law. You can't bias on people's side, you know, because over here, if you have police mother and police father, they can't take off you and they can't protect you. They have to do them job. No policeman over here can take up for them friend and them family and let you off. They can't do it. They have to do their job. So when me come to Jamaica, I really actually want to help on the police. You know? Just do your job. If you search me, search me. If you stop me, stop me. Whatever you do it and do it the right way between the law and to your best of your ability. I'm not looking no help. If you do the right thing, I don't need to look at it. But if you do the bad thing, of course I'm going to need help because I forget myself a liar because I do something wrong. But if you do the right thing what you're supposed to do, then we're quite alright with that. We're quite happy with that. We don't have a problem. We don't have to call my friend them and nobody if you come say what. We don't need to do that. Because the policeman doing job, so leave him make him doing job. Now, enough for uno now. When people report something to you like domestic violence, don't take it for mockery, and mock the people, man, take them for eat that, If a man should walk in a police station and say get raped and a woman, you don't laugh after time and run him out, how your woman can rape you. But over here is law. And over the other rest of the country, them is law. So you have to listen to the people them and take a statement from them and log it. Put it down. And if you complain and want to make a charge, then you have to charge a person. You have to charge a person because there's law for it. Some of the cases, they don't need to charge somebody, can give them a warning and make them sign. Them sign it, you warn them already, so at least they get a warning. It's on the system. It log on the system. But anytime you see people have domestic violence with them woman or them partner, or them family or them mother, I don't take it for foolishness. I don't try the people them case like son a liar and judge. You need to stop it. This woman a cried for help. Where she afraid of her son. Her son almost want to kill her. And I don't take it for mockery and take it for joke and I'm going to put woman under pressure. That's why when time some people go through some things and while some woman get raped, they don't really want to come tell you, All man get her raped and man come tell you. Because you can't scream it, you can't have it confidential. People are going to know. And a lot of things people are going through and they're afraid of you. Somebody afraid for walking in a police station and telling them something where really are going. They're afraid because they know them are going to through. They know not going to take them for mockery. They know not going to make a damn ass out of them. I'm going to know why. Them can't train enough to be more professional and take the job more serious. But no, we don't got no time for that. Now if we go a party later on, go shoot up the rest of DJ them and live like a singer and live like a celebrity and live on a hype life like everybody else. Anybody say anything about you carry thin skin. And the Jamaican dirty culture, and if you stop it. You carry thin skin. Prime Minister, all of you carry thin skin for people. Police overseas, no matter what you want to say about them, they don't give a toss. They not to be here. They might not dance with you over here, rub up shoulder to shoulder with you. They not look no respect. They not get no respect. They not look that. They may know your culture. They're not busy with you. They not know about what you have to say about them. When they go to road to do them job, I that then go there for do. So if you want to turn and cuss them on video and cuss them and tell them so they corrupt and them this and that, then can't see you later on and tap you and do nothing. So why you can't be the best? And Jamaica said they are the best. But you are not. You are not the best, Tell your people, you just love you for come take in some of the sunshine. But you not even got use for. You not even know the value of it. Because a police officer doing police work and you take the work for you yourself, you do it the way you want to do it. You do it the way you want to do it. Right? You do it to suit you. You not do it by the book, and what was told and was trained. You take it like a funeral job. Like employing yourself and giving yourself a job. Like another country giving you a job. You never go nowhere yet. I have a camera if you can show when you meet up in a want to see. I want to set standing up. Jamaica police carry camera and people talk about that till them sick. Even the chief of staff say I'll give him boys them camera. The police commissioner say that the government has said for years and look, ordinary people out there can have a car and can have a camera on their car. People have a camera on their house. People have a camera on their business place. And you not have a camera in a station. You not have a camera for show nothing. What does that tell the public say? What does that telling the public say? And you don't want to hear if you see me now and kill me. But you don't need to kill me because I'm telling the truth. And a son is saying, and the police want to say, it's a Jamaican culture. If you shall talk anything about anybody, say for instance, you talk about the school, the whole teacher and vex you. You talk about the workplace, the whole people in vex you. You talk about the community vex you. You talk about everybody vex you. So you know if you say nothing about nobody at all, shut your mouth. But people have to start. Especially in our time and our age like now with a social media time. People just go up on their phone and voice some opinion. And that's what the world coming to right now. Man go up on line, man go up on social media, man go up on line, go look at woman. Woman go up on line, go look at man. Man stay up on line as sex people and all that type of things. So everything happen on line now. Everything happen. And only if you start bringing voting on line and make people stop left their yard. Run go down and polling say, so you turn a yard and vote for who you want to vote for. That go happen, it go reach, it coming. It coming. Yeah. So you see, we are serving the country, if you do the right thing. Don't do if you suit on yourself. Do the right thing if you please the people them. Make the people can happy with you know. The woman asks for help for Christ's sake. You take off your macro and you can't help her. You're unprofessional. But when you get fucked up, what part of the run go? I run go foreign. I'm loving when you go foreign, you see. We love when all I want to run go foreign. I don't want to stay in Jamaica, you know. I want to go foreign when you get fed up, when you lose no work, when people have town, when you have to run away, when you have to go foreign. Because guess what? You see them time there, you have to be able to damn self. You have to obey now. That is the time when you have to obey. But as long as you know out there on Jamaica Island, you will never. Because the bigger head, now setting an example for you know. You know got no boss, you know have the body for governor, you know. If you make a complaint and police come down upon you, the one in a khaki suit across you. Which are him showing us the example, you know. The one that had the stripe on his shoulder and him at this you. Can talk to the sergeant, so boy. You shut up your mouth. Yeah? You know, unprofessional and calling yourself, you know, police. I can understand, you know. But you know, get fucked one by one. And when I run go, foreign. Go behave with yourself. I want the whole of you go foreign. Because we get a little behaveness out of you. You know, unprofessional and you must take on a job serious. Serve in the country until the time come to finish and go. And leave other people come in and do the same. But what I do is not right, it's not good. Domestic violence, I want serious things. I don't know if you take it lightly. But if you take it lightly and take some people for mockery, you know if you stop it.
Alright, so no answer the questions that I ask. Make sure you answer, you know, because I'm going to look for the answer in the comment section. I want to know. Let me remind you again. What is the purpose of a government? And is the government of Jamaica doing what they are supposed to be doing? Tell me in the comment section. More also talk to me about everything what the general say in that video here. Tell me in the comment section what is your thought and opinion on that as well. This has been another one for Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.